Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Ahmed Daniel. My metric number is CB 250114 and I'm from group number 9. So our project is to build one product which is Eco Tiles. So I'm here to present about the progress report. Alright, so first this is my group members and their activities. For Marcos more to research market trend and use end user needs for the customer requirement. And for me, I improve our slide presentation and do a survey for problem statement. And for Dell is to revise the main product idea and ensure project documentation is clear and easy to understand for all the buyers. Next is Felicia. So for Felicia is to record a meeting and to improve the problem statement and make it clear and simple. Next for Vanessa. So for Vanessa is to prepare poster, social media and content for marketing strategies. And last is our leader is Nur Dayana Sufia. So for Dayana is to the job is to analyze existing market issue and challenge, define specific project objective. Alright, so here we found 3 issues. So for the issue number 1 is to lack of understanding the actual need to preference of customer. Alright, number 2 is the original product idea does not fully meet current market demands. So this our main problem for our meeting for second week lah. Alright, so number 3 is limited survey data makes it difficult to obtain accurate information about customer satisfaction and expectation. Alright, so here this 3 main objective for this progress meeting. So number 1 is to identify and understand the level of customer acceptance toward the market product. Number 2 to enhance of product idea and concept that align with user needs. And last to collect and analyze customer feedback through the survey that I do. Alright, so here we also have the activity in this schedule. Alright, so first we do discussion on questionnaire. And number 2, we creating a Facebook page. Number 3, we design a promotional poster to post at our Facebook page. Number 4 is our improvise our presentation slide. And last is reviewing problem statement and do it as a data lah. Alright, so this is our Gantt chart. So this Gantt chart for now our progress is still on track, right? So this our evidence for the meeting, right? Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.